Shurad was started way back in 2011 with a mission of supporting and hand-holding young people to start something in agribusiness. We were started by Makerere, Naro, and New Cafe as promoting organizations that came together to start something that can be a starting point for young people to gain knowledge and technical skills to be able to start a business, especially in value addition.
It's ready for roasting kwa tumaze okusortinga. After roasting our coffee, we weigh it again. Sort it again so that we make sure whatever we are going to take out there, it is of the standard.
This is our second last stage. We pour our coffee bean inside here. So after pouring, we switch on the machine to start grinding.
Shurad is an organization that was started to support youth, women, and farmers to start a small business, a business that's linked to agriculture, especially in value addition.
Learn, explore, grow. The future of agriculture starts here.